As you will see, Raiden, even the masters must keep in practice.
So what's Chavez practicing? Getting Gila Flame's butt kicked by Bob?
Mighty Shouter! Expect the unexpected.
Little human is not Shouter's summoner. Shouter warm up for real battle back home. Quill Spike rumblers go down fast.
What's a Quill Spike rumbler?
I don't want to talk about it.
Neither would Shouter if Shouter was Quill Spike.
I am no Quill Spike. I am Tetsurian the Unchained.
That why half-breed not protect own beastkin.
Protect them? From what?
Shouter here Quill Spike territory under heavy siege.
According to my notes, the Quill Spike are just humble farmers, not great warriors. That's what it said on the tablet.
We need to go help your people.
It ceased to be my home long ago.
Come on, how much worse can they be than the dragon side of the family?
You kids can't just wander off to the nature civilization.
I know. It's forbidden.
Not that that's ever stopped you before, but at least I can chaperone this field trip. Grab on.
Shouter must take leave now. Quill Spike territory not far.
Why did he have to drop us off in the middle of Bug Central?
As I understand it, a banished creature returns to the exact spot from which it was summoned. A simple issue of matter displacement and conservation of energy, really.
Rhetorical question.
Something's different. The place seems smaller.
Wish I could say the same for the bugs. Guess I scared them off.
No, you didn't. That did!
Tetsurian, get them to safety!
Not this thing again.
This thing is Midnight Crawler, a water creature known for its voracious appetite.
Well, at least we know why Bob's hometown looks smaller.
So, you return to your ancestral land, just in time to see it swallowed by an Earth Eater.
Hello, Mother. Brother's back! Good to see you.
So, you gonna introduce us to your family?
This is my mother, Headstrong Wanderer, and two of my half-brothers, Razorhide and Prickleback.
Oh, that's not a proper greeting. Come on, greet us like a true Quill Spike. The Thorn Gods remain unkind to our half-brother.
Hey! Boys, stop harassing Bare Bottom.
Bare Bottom.
Mother, I told you never to call me by that name. I am Tetsurian the Unchained.
Clearly the half-fire dragon is too good for his nature beast kin.
Shh. It's coming back.
But this time we're ready for it. Quill Spike Rumblers, attack!
need a lot more firepower.
Kill a flame, the assaulter!
Legionnaire Lizard Hissy! That's right. Who's a good hissy? Who's gonna burn the oversized dirt muncher to a crisp? You are. Yes, you are.
So much for firepower. Great Prince Gargle!
Midnight Crawler? Epic fail, Gabriel! Would you like to exit the game? Yes!
But I thought you could control water creatures.
Error message. Midnight Crawler exceed Gargle's bandwidth!
The Earthstorm Giant! We're saved!
But we'll have to give up half our harvest to him in payment.
If we don't drive away that Earth Eater, there won't be any harvest to give up.
Okay, now that's just gross.
Yes! Midnight Crawler is defeated!
Not defeated. Full. Stuffed to gills.
Our crops are devastated. If the creature returns, the Quillspike will starve.
Can't you just plant your crops somewhere else?
This land has been Quillspike territory for thousands of years. We would sooner be devoured along with it than pack up and leave.
That's Beastkin stubbornness.
You are half beastkin yourself, son. Never forget that.
Surely the other tribes would come to your aid.
You have much to learn about the nature civilization, human. Tribes do not always help one another.
Unless we had the Shield of Unity. Maybe you should wish for a 10-foot set of horns while you're at it, brother.
Care to let us in on the joke?
The Shield of Unity is the nature civilization's most powerful and prized artifact. It compels all other tribes to rally to the side of whichever tribe possesses it.
Okay, so where do we find the shield?
You do not find the shield. You earn it by winning the nature civilization's dueling games.
But no Quillspike has ever won, so competing would be pointless.
Just like our half-brother.
Wait, that's it! The Quillspike have a natural-born fighter right here!
There is nothing natural born about this fighter.
You have just as much right to compete as any other beastkin, Barebottom.
Very well. I will duel in the competition for the Quill Spike on one condition. Never call me by that name again.
Ow! Easy on the bumps. You're not exactly equipped with padded seats.
Maybe you should have stayed behind with Gabe and Master Chavez.
No way. Anywhere's better than that bug sanctuary. Oh, you have got to be kidding me. We have to climb on that thing?
We have to climb in that thing.
This is a nature competition. No fire kind allowed.
I am half nature.
Is that so? Then declare your tribe, half-breed.
He's Quillspike.
And what are you?
They're with me.
No pets allowed.
Who is going to stop me? You?
No, him.
Okay, take it easy, big guy. Don't lose your head.
Do not harm humans. Humans are a rumor.
Hear that? We've been upgraded from myth to rumor.
Humans real as Shouter. This one is of my tribe. The Bronze Arm tribe.
Very well. But this way leads only to the battle zone.
It's okay. Me and Bob are, dueling partners.
From 2 different tribes?
Yeah, Bob's only half a beast, and Ray's an honorary beast. So together they make one whole beast, right?
Barely. You may pass. Warriors only, human.
No problem. Anything beats climbing up. Okay, try not to roll. Try not to roll. Try not to roll. I'm so gonna hurl. I see you brought the whole family. No, you go ahead. I've suddenly decided to become a vegetarian.
Bad luck for Snow Sprite. Granted, Avenger will flatten with one blow.
But you gotta root for the underdog, right? Go, little Snowy! Let me guess. Giant fans? Looks like somebody got flattened with one blow. Oh, just shut up now.
We must await our turn in the battle zone.
Quill Spike! That's you, Bob.
Don't remind me.
Were we just summoned into battle?
You thought only humans could summon?
Bloodmane! Oh, it's nice to start with a friendly face.
There are no friends in the great competition.
You are a Quill Spike?
I am Tetsui in the Unchained!
Someone's a little touchy about his nature side.
I care nothing for the Quill Spike!
Why do you not care for your tribe? Is it because they are grass-eating, border-dwelling non-warriors? Do not be ashamed, Quill Spike. All beastkin have their place in the nature civilization. Some higher up the food chain than others.
Faster, my sons! We must harvest all our crops before the crawler returns!
We'll be ready for the creature if it does.
No offense, Master Chavez, but we need better strategy than driving it back into the water with fire.
Wish Gargle could drive back into water. Nature civilization dehydrate Gargle.
That's it! We've been doing this all wrong. We shouldn't drive the creature into the water. We should drive it out of the water where it's weaker.
Gabriel, that's genius!
What kind of machine can he possibly make out of a pencil and paper?
Not machine.
Plan. That ought to do it, Gargle.
That's your big plan? Bury it?
Oh, yeah! Ice that bug! Got a problem with that? Go Snowy! Go Snowy!
There is no shame in being a grass eater. Everyone eats grass once in a while.
Will you just ignore him? He's not trying to insult your beastkin.
I told you I care nothing for the Quill Spike!
Hold, Quill Spike. Attack me, and you destroy the human. Now, submit. Your move, Quillspike. Do you risk destroying your friend? Or let the tick drain his mana?
Or how about I just squish your bug?
You see, with a little help from a puny human, even a Quillspike can stave off defeat. For a moment.
At least the Quill Spike would never hide behind a puny human shield.
You dare insult Bloodmane?
Don't worry. There's no shame in being defeated by a Quill Spike.
I am fortunate I fought you in the arena, and not in the wilds.
You are unfortunate you fought me when I duel to save my Quill Spike.
Yes, go Quill Spike!
Do not celebrate just yet.
No hard feelings from before, right?
Okay, Choten. Why are you so interested in little Snowy? What's a nature sprite doing with a water civilization weapon?
Stay focused. You have another battle, and you must win. I will possess the Shield of Unity. Come.
Get off, get off, get off, get off! There was something awfully familiar about little Snowy. A Lakshmi.
Shouter not believe Shouter's eyes. No Quill Spike ever make finals.
Looks like we get that practice duel after all.
Shouter not practice. Shouter fight! For the Bronze Arm Tribe!
Hello? Honorary member here?
Today I battle for the Quill Spike. So today I battle as a Quill Spike.
You earn Shouter's respect, Quill Spike.
And I thank you. But now I must earn the Shield of Unity. The final round. Whoever can get to the shield wins the shield.
Ray! Bob! The snow sprite is working for the Choten! Oh, they're never gonna hear me. But I know someone they will hear. Scaradorable of Gloom Hollow! Okay, Hugs. Look, I know you're not exactly welcome here in the nature realm, Squeaky, but I need you to stop that snow sprite.
A darkness creature! Banish it back to where it came from!
Saguru?
My crawler! Run, program!
Heal a flame! Drive him to shore! not sure about this plan.
We got the sea monster out of the sea, didn't we?
This plan could use a little fire insurance. Kanina, the igniter! Kanina, the trees! Perhaps I should not have doubted you and Gargle.
You know, maybe fire and water can work together after all. Forces in opposition and yet complementary to one another. Not unlike the yin-yang mandala.
That's not the Earth Stomp Giant.
Midnight Crawler is eating its way out of the trap!
Have you located the creature?
Target is in sight. Creature 52767. It's a big one. In range.
Hold still, my little Venom Worm. Nigel, you old bean. You don't mean to take me on yourself again, do you?
Not this time. No.
Oh, very well. Destroy them.
Heal a flame! Strike back!
Visharka, stop him!
Come! They cannot have gotten far!
Stop, Master Chavez! Healing the breach is our immediate concern, and I advise against taking on the Choten yourself.
Gabe, check out the fires.
Already tracking them via an online satellite application. Weird. There's no fire line. It's like spot fires are just randomly erupting. Random, but obviously related. Must be creature realm-related causes. It's the only logical explanation.
That's the only logical explanation? Not Sunday barbecues gone wild?
You're just jealous because I'm always 3 steps ahead of you. Oh.
It's a minor situation. The fire started very close to where we just sealed a breach in the Vale.
We saw the smoke. I would think creature realm-related causes. Maybe, say, fire civilization?
Very perceptive, Allison. Our security surveillance of San Campion confirms this.
You have spy cameras in town, Master Brightmore?
Not cameras, stalker spheres. Tiny flying light creatures sensitive to fluctuations in the veil and mana-emitting anomalies.
So, spy cameras.
The fires are being created by a burn belly, a small creature with a large appetite for anything flammable. They belch fire.
Your assignment is to find, battle, and banish the creature.
You can make it a game. Whoever vanquishes the burn belly wins.
I'll just summon Bob and...
No, this exercise is not about summoning. It is about control.
And since you will be up against a fire creature, we have chosen a water creature for each of you. Ray, remember buoyant blowfish?
For Allison, Steam Star, Grapple Log.
Yeah, we didn't exactly see eye to tentacle. Oh, that better have just been water.
I don't require anything. I'm already tracking the fires and thus the burn belly. And if this exercise is about control, then logic dictates I should just locate and control it.
Does logic also dictate you should refuse your master's assignment so early in your training?
Hey, no. May I have my creature, please?
Leaf Prince, GARGLE!
He sounds like my dad at the dentist. And he looks like the spit cup. You should call him Gargle.
Ooh, hey, stop that! Give that back! Willie! Master, are you sure this gargle is good for me?
Give it time. It may surprise you.
Hey, give me it! Wait! Gargle, slow down!
You gotta admit that was pretty funny. Gabe totally couldn't control that little reef thing.
Gargle, where you go? Oh. Okay then. Attack! Hey, don't examine it. Get rid of it. Don't!
Go Steam Star!
Good one. Your turn, Blowfish.
Freeze! Watch where you point that thing!
Sorry. Let's try this together. Gabriel, that's my wait, you hacked my phone?
User data. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, Gabriel Wallace.
That is personal. We need to find that little pyro.
Pyromaniac, fire starter, very smoke. Whoa! Burn, baby, burn!
Since when does the spit cup talk?
He updated himself, okay?
Forget the burn belly for now. We have to put that fire out.
Gargle, I order you to extinguish! Oh, the fire's over there! Why won't you listen to me?
Mana sensors put the anomaly at 50 meters to the north, sir.
Quite the appetite, little friend. What else lies within you? What the? Interesting. Track and observe. Inform me of any new developments. Lakshmi, come get me, please.
Gargle, stop fooling around! We need to be putting out the fires!
Fire? Fighter!
Yes! Fight the fire!
Dude, control your creature!
Don't you think I'm trying to?
Hey, don't tell them what to do. Who does he think he is?
Leaf Prince!
I gotta say, that's pretty cool. awesome.
Well, yes, I told him to, indirectly.
Now you pants on fire.
Wait, you little...
Okay, fires are out, burning poop smell going away. Now where'd that little BB get to? I still want to win that contest.
It must have left the nursery while we were putting out the fire. Gabe, you coming?
Yeah, if I can get this prince to obey me, I command, you obey. Get it?
Got it. Good.
Come here, Gargle!
LOL. Lots of leftovers. LOL.
No, ugh. LOL is laughing out loud. Ha ha ha, dummy.
Laughing out loud. Dummy.
We are done.
Gabriel, 411.
Accessing satellite footage. I can probably track down the creature by infrared if I really...
Too bad Gabe's not getting along with Gargle.
What? It's hilarious. Maybe he'll trade me. Don't worry, Steamy. I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna trade you. Look, at least Gabe's got his little techno doodads and his GPS. Maybe he doesn't need it.
No, he does need Gargle. He doesn't realize it yet. I think they're about to lead us right to the burning burper.
It seems the compound we recovered from the Choten contains mutagenic properties.
We knew he was collecting creatures, but mutating them? Why would he do such a thing?
In order to make himself more powerful. But violating the natural order will plunge both our realms into turmoil. His ambition is not to be underestimated.
Speaking of underestimating, our acolytes have not yet returned from your little competition.
I'm sure if there was a problem, they would have called.
Gotcha! Epic win! Told you I didn't need you. Hey, what, do you think I do need him? Maybe we should alert the masters.
We can handle this. No one gets out. Once we capture the burn bellies, we'll banish them all at once. Together. It'll be fine.
I'm getting multiple readings on the targets now. I think the rate of duplication has accelerated. We better check this out.
Seems like the more they eat, the more they burp.
And the more they burp, the more they multiply.
Well, let's look on the bright side. At least they're not farting.
That sprinkler gizmo Gargle made back at the nursery. Maybe you can get him to make something else to take down these burn bellies.
That thing is hopeless. It soaked me, stole my phone, covered me in trash. I am through with it. I can't control it.
Sometimes to gain control, you have to give up control.
Hello, have we met? I win with my head, Ray.
I know, but maybe a little less of your head and a little more of your heart?
Ray's right. We need the spit cup.
Gargle, I'm sorry. You know about what I said.
Gabriel, defriend Gargle.
No, refriend. We need you.
Huh? Gabriel, Gabriel, like button?
Yes, like. Come on, what do you say? Can you make something that can fight all those burn bellies?
Tools rush in.
Oh, I get you. Metal and glass. Non-flammable so the burn bellies can't eat it. Impressive. But, what's it do?
Looks like you captured all of them.
Good. Now let's banish these guys once and for all. Call the Masters. Hey, Master Chavez! Remember that cute little burn belly? Yeah, well, now it's a big, what are we calling this thing? Yeah, we got a big nom nom. Big appetite, big belly, bigger burps. They're on their way.
Contacting the Choten.
Come on, Steamy. Give that sucker a facial.
Brilliant blowfish! Stick him!
Sir, the targets have stopped multiplying, and there only seems to be one left, with an enormous mana signature.
Then move in and capture the one.
We're gonna need a bigger truck.
He's heading for the bridge!
He's gonna eat the bridge!
Judging by the schedule, that train will be here in a few minutes. We'll never make it.
That's enough. Tensuri in the Unchained!
You called me to fight this puddle? Yes, I see. Well then, let's go.
I don't have to tell you what that means, do I? Increased volume, slight Doppler effect.
The train is getting closer. Just say, it's getting closer.
Gargle, you'll want to access the train speed, load and resistance parameters, stress limitations.
April, no brainer.
Think it'll hold?
I know you hate dodging, but nice dodging.
Thanks.
other tricks up his sleeve?
Hot and spicy.
Wait, that's it! Ray! If it can't belch, it could get catastrophic indigestion!
Good idea! Bob, can you use your chains to shut his big mouth?
Won't be easy.
Maybe we can help. Flame, return fire!
Rafu! End this chaos!
Go, Bob, now!
While reviewing our Stalker Sphere's surveillance, I came upon this.
That guy again?
The Choten. You should all be aware and quite wary of him as you continue your training.
On a lighter note, while things didn't go quite as expected, you all learned a valuable lesson.
And that would be what?
That things never go as expected.
One thing did. I won the contest.
Not so fast. You may have won the battle. Gabriel is the only one who still has his creature.
Gargle!
Yes. And since they repaired the bridge and had the idea to defeat the, Num-Num, they win.
Guess teaming up with Gargle was the logical choice after all. One second. Come here!
I am unable to account for the apparent fusion of multiple creatures into a single large one.
A secondary mutation? It seems I must determine whether my new evolution serum is unstable or just incredibly effective. Clearly, this calls for further testing.